Ito mga idol, panoorin natin sa color combination. Blue saka yellow, magiging color green. Kulay blue, tapos pagaloy mo yung kulay red, magiging kulay violet. Kulay red, tapos pagaloy mo kulay red, magiging color orange. Ang galing. Kulay violet, tapos green at orange, magiging kulay white. Malay mo yan magkapag-provide ng color white. White plus blue, maging sky blue. White saka orange, magiging color pink. Kulay blue, red at yellow, magiging kulay black. Wow, napakalupit niyan. Then, white saka black, magiging kulay gray. Kulay red, tapos green, magiging color brown. Ganyan pala ang color combination.